Welcome to homework.
We're asked to construct a finite-state machine modeling an old-fashioned soda machine that will accept nickels, dimes, and quarters. And we're told that the soda machine accepts change until 35 cents has been put in it, and it will give back change for any amount greater than 35 cents. And then the customer can push buttons to receive either a cola, a root beer, or a ginger ale. So we know the machine accepts nickels, dimes, and quarters. So nickels, of course, is 5 cents. Dimes are 10 cents. And then quarters are 25 cents. So now let's consider 8 different states. S0, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, and S7. These different states are going to represent the machine contains zero, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and 35 cents respectively. Because recall, we can't go above 35 cents in the machine, otherwise we'd receive change. Now, suppose that we add a nickel to the machine. What's going to happen is the input is 5 to the current state. SI, we'll call it. And then we know that we move to SI plus 1, and the output is 0. Since we aren't returning any money, now if we add a dime to the machine, then the input is 10, to state we're starting at SI, and then we move to SI plus 2, or S7 if SI plus 2 does not exist. and the output is the money returned in other words, the amount over 35 cents. Now, for another case, add a quarter to the machine. Then this means that the input is 25 to the start state SI. And then we move, the current state SI, move to SI plus 5. Or S7 if SI plus 5 does not exist. And the output is the money that gets returned. Which is simply the amount over 35 cents. So we considered all the different inputs in terms of money. Now let X represent that we hit the button for a soda pop. Where a button, of course, represented by an input, and the sodas can be cola, root beer, or ginger ale. Now, if we are not in state 7, hitting the button does nothing. Now suppose that we are in state S7. Then we return a pop and return at the start date. So return a soda of the kind specified by the button pushed, and we also return from S7 to the start state S0.